Hello guys, it's me, Maverick Lee. Welcome to my channel. Today I have something special just for you. I have the Lancome Genifique Youth Activating Advanced Concentrate. Now, as I open this product, let's talk about who this product is actually for. This product is intended for women, but I believe that this product can be used for all people of all backgrounds because after all, we are all humans and we all have skin. Skin is skin. This is what it looks like when you first remove it from the box. As you can see, it looks very minimal, very slick looking, very mysterious. Inside the box, as you can see, it's got a little instruction to show you how to correctly open it and use this product. It also comes with a little instruction manual as seen here, with all the information that you need. And it comes in two languages, of course, English and French. This product is used for making your skin look more radiant, or better known as the glow. It's also used for strengthening your moisture barrier of your skin. If you have a strong moisture barrier with your skin, it means that your skin will keep in the hydration for longer periods of time. It also helps plumpen your skin, brighten dark patches that may be around your eyes, and even fade thin lines, especially around the crow's feet area around here. It's best to apply this after you have applied your facial toner and facial essences. You can apply this in the morning or night or even both. It has to go on clean skin. And if you have seen my Lancome Renergy video, then it's best to know that this product is even more effective, double, maybe even 3 times effective if you can apply this product before the Lancome Renergy product. They say the correct way to apply this is, of course, to use the applicator like so. Give it a little squeeze. I think I put too much on. Running. And then you're supposed to give it little rubs as so. Wow, it feels so thin. I can't believe it, but it feels even thinner than the Lancome Renergy video I did. It almost feels like water, this one. Super light. The Lancome Renergy is a very good product. You can barely feel that one, but this one is even lighter again. I didn't even know it's possible. So once you've got it on your face, you just gently rub in circular motions as so. Make sure all your skin is covered. All the little cracks or wrinkles you may have. And then just give a little pat like this. So I'm going to wait a moment or so just so I can give you a more realistic experience of what it feels like when wearing this. In the meantime, let's discuss the shelf life. So it's recommended that you should use this within 6 to 12 months max. According to reviews online, users said that after only 1 week, they started to notice positive results. The 10% bifidus prebiotic is the secret ingredient in this magic formula. This is the reason why it can lighten darkened spots on your face, why it can bring out little wrinkles and lines, and why it can make your skin stronger, keeping the moisture inside and keeping your skin hydrated. Now, I was going to wait some time until this absorbs in, but to be honest, it absorbs so fast, it's almost instant. In fact, I think it is instant. You can literally feel it absorbing into your skin right away. So it's very fast absorbing and it's very light. You can barely feel that you've got it on after only a few small moments. I like this product because it doesn't feel heavy on my face. It feels like I'm wearing nothing and my skin is not even oily or nothing. It doesn't feel greasy. Because it's so lightweight and absorbs so fast into your skin, you can apply this right before you apply moisturizer or even makeup. You can rest assured that there's no breakout in spots. All in all, it makes my skin feel very protected already. It really honestly does. I know you might hear this term thrown around a lot. Oh, my skin feels protected, but honestly, try it for yourself and remember those words, what I just said. When you apply it, you literally feel like you've just grabbed the meaning of those words out of the dictionary and just splattered them on your face. That's how realistic this feeling is. This little formula right here in my hand is ideal for improving the quality of your skin because it is formulated with vitamin CG, pre and probiotic fractions and hydrochloric acid. I ain't even kidding. This product is even more impressive as time goes by. It feels even better. My skin feels so protected. I ain't even joking. If you are out there watching this and you are familiar with this product, if you use this product, leave a comment down below with your thoughts so people know that I ain't talking BS. Well, that's it. That's all from me, Maverick Lee. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. In the meantime, why don't you check out my other video that I did called Lancome Re-Energy. See you there.